as human beings, I understand that we are not perfect. And as much as we try to keep our mouths clean, every once in a while, your breath I got sting, isn't it? Whether in the morning when you just wake up, or you're hungry, or some other time, your breath I can catch a little fun every once in a while. But I am here to understand why some people have morning breath the whole day. Listen to me, someone of you brushing your teeth, brushing up big whale tongue, brushing up infected gums. Now tell me you can't afford toothpaste when you have the smartest of phones. For you to have all the latest gadgets and all this shit, I this, I that, all that, iPhone, I this, I whatnot. See? And your breath smell like madman crutches. That don't make no damn sense. And ask me, I don't know how madman crutches smell, but seeing that madman no be crutches don't smell. Brush your teeth with the damn nasty ass breath. Like literally your mouth smell like ass. That shit cannot be healthy for you or anybody where you spray with your toxic gases. Your ozone layer destroy gases. Have you ever spoken to somebody with bad breath and every time them talk you can just like feel your lungs collapse? Every time them talk, you want to throw. You feel the hear them by your face and then your nostrils just a dissolve. It's like you have a conversation with an onion. You hear them just full up of water. You know what I call people with bad breath? Seasoning factory. Because them breath cause the same reaction when seasoning gear. When you smell. You know when you smell some seasoning, you hear just water up, you want to sneeze, you want to cough, you want to choke. I saw them breath make you feel. Brush your teeth, yeah? For the sake of we and yourself, brush your teeth. I don't see why your breath smells like you went to the restaurant, the toilet, order a big plate of baby shit and you wash that down with a glass, a 1980 rhino piece. You are nasty and you need to brush your teeth. If your toothpaste is the problem, they have this new toothpaste. What is the name again? It come in a one bottle. Bleach. Use it. And if brushing alone can't help, get some mouthwash. They have this new mouthwash too. Kerosene, yeah man. Where you pour like a kerosene in your mouth, then you light the matches and throw it in your mouth at the same time. Boom, boom, boom. Blast out all of the toxins and everything in your mouth. Clean your mouth. Get yourself some breath spray. Febreze. Lysol baby. You know, try one of those. Ladies, it is not hot when your breath smell like sitting a rat. And niggas, it is not swat when your breath make people want gag. Brush on a rusty, nasty bumbo. I walk around the place with your damn breath smell like a destination store roadkill. Like a your friggin' mouth they use to clean up foul pen, hand pen. Let's see why your breath if it smell like a high school bathroom where they not clean for about 3 weeks. It still amazes me, like how do you get your breath to smell like doodle? Like how do you do that? I can't understand it. How? Stop playing hypocrite with yourself. Check your breath. Get it from the guy, choke back. Check your own breath. But then again, you should be able to smell your own breath, seeing that your goddamn nose, they over your mouth. Don't play hypocrite. I am very self-conscious, you know. I check my breath, and if my breath smell away, I don't want to talk to people. But then again, you have some people always open in your face and 24/7, and you have to just get the fuck back. And with that said, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Share this if you're tired to deal with stink breath people. Like it if you're tired to deal with stink breath people. Brush your damn teeth. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.